An apartment complex near a 4-lane road. The complex grounds have palm trees, grass, a sign over an entrance reads Cantera. An elegant community room with comfortable seating, large windows, a co-working nook with computer and printer, easy chairs, TV. Another area with pool table, fireplace, kitchen area, a gym with exercise machines and free weights, exercise balls, big sunny windows. A swimming pool surrounded by adjustable deck chairs and palm trees, a jacuzzi. A curved area with covered seating, which includes outdoor sofas, tables and chairs, landscaping. A contemporary apartment with light neutral walls and light trim, light wood-inspired floors, ceiling fans, and sliding doors to a balcony. The balcony has room for a small sofa and 2 chairs, plants. Part of it is covered and part is out in the sun. The galley kitchen has light cabinets and counters, as well as chrome-colored appliances, which include a built-in microwave, dishwasher. At the end of the kitchen is a laundry room with full-size washer and dryer, built-in shelves. The bedroom has light carpet, window, and a ceiling fan. The bathroom has a full bath and shower unit and a vanity with 4 drawers and 2 cabinets. A walk-in closet with built-in shelves and hanger rods on 3 sides. Another smaller swimming pool in a curve shape. A fenced dog area with agility features. A wheelchair icon. A house icon. Text, equal housing opportunity.